Well, this week, some local students got a unique opportunity to apply what they've learned in school.
They're putting those skills to very good use, helping bring new life to a historic Dauphin County park. Andre Thomas Jr. reports.
8 Dauphin County high schoolers chose to spend a small part of their summer restoring pieces of Halifax history.
I could be at home, playing my video game or hanging out with friends, but I thought it would be a good idea to help the community and kind of, learn knowledge that I didn't really know.
Students from Dauphin County Technical School are restoring Fort Halifax Park as part of a community service program.
The buildings that are here on the site at Fort Halifax are all historic buildings. They were built in the 1800s, and we're doing some work on them to help keep them viable for the next 100 years.
They set up tents and spent the last 5 days rebuilding floors, repainting barns, building doors, and installing gutters, which is not how most high schoolers spend their summer.
When the summer rolls around, the kids miss being in school sometimes, and they're all busy with their lives in the summertime, working and doing all the other things that kids do during the summer, but they really jumped at the idea of coming in and spending a week, almost like a week of vacation for them, camping out while still doing the work that we do.
It's all a part of the Building Construction Technology program at the school, which their teacher, Robert Brightbill, feels will help them grow.
When we practice, we do a lot of stuff in the community, but the stuff that we do in the community is always varied, and so this is another type of experience that not every student gets to have. Working on buildings that are almost 150 or more years old is an experience that they don't get to have.
Until now. In Halifax, Andre Thomas Jr., ABC 27 News.